भाजप पक्ष बंडलां सांगपाक फाटीं रावना. कतार एअरवेज आनी ओमान एअर हांकां सरकार दाबोळेच्यान मोपा शिफ्ट जावपाक दबाव हाडटा म्हूण एल्विस गोम्स उलयला. RDXGOA खातीर मुरगांवच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
सांगपाक ही पार्टी पळय आसा BJP ते बंडलां सांगपाक फाटीं रावच ना. वॉट हॅज हॅपन्ड इन दीस केस? CM हॅज मेड अ स्टेटमेंट ऑन द फ्लोर ऑफ द हाऊस. आसा त्यो फ्लायटी आमी हालयना. अरे तुका खबर तरी आसा की एअर इंडिया ऑलरेडी गेली म्हणून? आसा त्यो फ्लायटी हालोवच्यो ना म्हणटा तो. ऑलरेडी एअर इंडिया गेली एक उदाहरण जालें मरे आनी तूं हालोवचो ना आनी कितें म्हणटा? देर इज एब्सोल्युटली नो शॉकर फॉर पीपल. मोर शॉक्स आर इन वेटिंग फ्रॉम द BJP government. BJP government is only giving shocker after shocker, and I had said it. We all were sitting there. We said it. Air India is under pressure to move away from Dabolim. What happened? Same flight from Dabolim you have taken and kept it in Mopa. The inconvenience caused to the people of this region. Mormugao, Salset, Kankon, Kepe, Sange, Fonya, Chodgoro, and even Tiswadi. They have caused tremendous injustice to these people by taking these flights away. And now add to that one more. The BJP leaders immediately castigated us, saying that what we are telling is creating a fear psychosis in the minds of people. We have been proved right. Now more is in store for the people. Already there are moves to pressure Qatar Airways. There is move to pressure Oman Air. There is move to pressure even domestic airlines to move from here. So the ultimate objective is in interest of one private operator, GMR, in the interest of one handling agent called Celebi, one only. 30 to 40% more will have to be shelled out by the passengers who are going there. It is an expensive proposition. काय बरो एअरपोर्ट हांगा आशिल्लो लोकांचो आमी कांयच उलयना एगेन्स्ट. आमी तांकां म्हणटा एडिशनल फ्लायट्स घाला. आसा त्यो कित्याक काडटा? This was the only issue. So one minister himself has escorted all these airline bosses and told them to move from here. We will give all the facilities. They are not concerned about the people. That is what we want to point out. Very bad days are in store. Again I am coming 4 MLAs of this, 3 BJP MLAs and 1 supporting MLA of this taluka. Salset सोडूनच जे Salset ह्या तालुकान इकॉनॉमिक एक्टिविटी जे एअरपोर्टा लागून जनरेट जाताली that is almost getting crushed